Hey everyone, welcome back to Cache Cloud. Today we have an exciting video on our channel for all the content creators out there. We have diving deep into the world of YouTube video SEO, where we will equip you with the strategies to boost your videos visibility and reach a wide audience. So in the start of this video, I request you to watch this video till the end if you want to learn something about YouTube video SEO. So I request you to watch this video till the end. And if you like that video, please smash the like button. So let's get started. And this video will very simple steps, and I will show you simple 5 steps that if you perform on your videos, you can easily rank on the YouTube, and your videos will get more and more views. So for teach you, I will pick one of my video, and here I will show you how you can perform or how you can do your video SEO. Like, I will show you how you can perform YouTube SEO in simple 5 steps, and I guarantee you that if you follow all these steps, you can easily rank, or your videos will easily rank on YouTube search. So I just pick one of my video, and I will edit my video, and I assure that all of you guys familiar with that interface. This is YouTube Studio. So first we will see how we can create our title, because the title is the main thing of your video. Once you decided to create your video, and when you create your video, after that you always create title and description and all the data. So we will start with the keyword research, and let me show you the free tools that you can use for your keyword research. The first one is Google Keyword Planner. Here you can search your keywords related to your video. And the next one is Google Trends. You can also use this free tool for keyword research. And the third one I'm using that one is YouTube Keyword Planner. I always use YouTube Keyword Planner. The third free tool for keyword research is YouTube, and the fourth one is Google Research. I will just show you the tools that you can use for research, and also for titles and description, and for the tags. I will just show you that tools. You guys use those tools as per your requirement. So the next thing, after complete your research, and you find that topic which you can use for create a video, and after the recording of your video, the first thing that you will apply on your video is to create a title for your video, and it must be a unique title, because the title is the thing which always show in YouTube search result. So let me show you the tools which are free that you can use to create your titles for your video. The first one is YouTube to create your titles. Like if you are creating on a video on how to grow on YouTube, you can see YouTube also suggests you many titles that you can use, and all these titles are already ranked on YouTube. So you can use this tool, and it's also a free tool that you can use for your title creation. And the next one is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is basically a YouTube extension, so I will prefer you to download this extension for your Chrome. Like as you can see, I already download this extension for my channel. And the next tool is vidIQ. vidIQ is similar to TubeBuddy, and you can also use this for create your titles. Like you complete your research on the topic which you are using to create your video, just write some words in vidIQ and it will suggest you which titles you can use for your videos. So I'm showing you all the tools which are free, so it will help you a lot to do your video SEO. So now move to our next section, which is description. So if you are not able to write a description, you can use ChatGPT, and it's highly recommended to create your description. Use this tool. This is just amazing. You just type your prompt in ChatGPT and it will give you very comprehensive and SEO friendly description for your video. Just give it a nice prompt and it will give you the best description. And after this step, now it's time to create your thumbnail. So for the thumbnail, I will highly recommend you to use Canva. Canva is the best tool, and you can create your own thumbnails using this free tool, and it's totally free, and you can use its free available templates, and you can also edit. So if you are still watching my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. So it's time to move to the next step. So it's time to move to our tag section. And tags are also very important for your video rank. So for tags, I will suggest you the tool which is also a free tool, that is Rapid Tags. You will just enter your video title and it will give you the tags related to your title. And I'm also use this tool, and it's also a free tool. I will also just suggest you to create timestamps in your video. It will help the viewer to jump to the next section. So you should add your timestamps related to your video in the description box. Like you can see here, I added some timestamps like this. You can add your timestamps like this. You can see many of the timestamps I already added in this video. And in last, You can also add hashtags related to your video, and it's also a good practice to add some nice and clean hashtags, and do not enter many of the hashtags in the description. If you want to add hashtags, you can add it 1, 2 or 3 maximum. You can add 3 hashtags in your video. So these all the steps, if you can follow all these steps, I guarantee you will, or your video will rank in YouTube search engine. So this is it for this video. This is a very simple and informative video that nobody already created like mine. So I highly recommend you to subscribe my channel and like this video, and thank you so much for watching.